Hi guys, we're back now for our part 3 of Marquee. Then we'll see we ended up in here, so and we see the behavior is a little bit different here, and if we do this we can see it scrolls up. Then what we're gonna do here, we're gonna say loop. We're adding on something interesting. It's gonna be loop on this line. Loop equals to 3. So you're telling this text to appear 3 times, then disappears. So it's gonna come 1, 2, 3. It will never come back. So you can make it maybe 4. Then we 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's gone. So if we remove that, it means it's gonna come. It will continue 1, 2, 3, 4. This means it will never end. But if you want to give it a limit, so you can put here what we call loop. Then you put any number you're looking for. So there's another interesting part whereby it's gonna called scroll amount equals to any number we want. So this is gonna give it the speed. If we say maybe 30, then we save and we refresh, you can see the speed is a little bit high than what we saw previously. So if we make it 2 and we refresh, you can see it goes very slow, comes back and goes slow. So we can make it higher if we want to. You can say the scroll amount should be maybe we're gonna say 300, 3000. Let's see what we're gonna see. That something we can't even see. So make it 300. Yes, you see it's too fast. So the speed is so high, too high. So we're gonna do 50. Then you see how 50 looks like. You can see 50 how it looks like. So anyway, you can say bg color equals to red. If you want to make it red, is the background color for this, we made it red. So you can play with this tag and make something look pretty good. I'm saying green can work for us for now, and yes, green is good for us. So we can also give this guy something like same thing, whatever I give it. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe and play with these tags, and you'll see some different things. Okay, thanks guys, bye bye.